Happy Valentine's Day! I wish you lots of joy, happiness, peace, and blood. So now let's start the craft. Let's go! I'll tell you the craft. It's very similar. So I did a whole family, but I didn't do a cat. So today we're going to do a cat. But this one I did just a little girl, and the cat is going to be way more better than this one. I like it a lot more. So now we'll see what we need for the craft. Let's go. So we'll need paper. This is the paper I'm using, and stickers. So these two are the same, and maybe this one. I made these two are the same, and maybe this one, and this one too. So now we'll need these kind of hearts, and we'll also need these ones. These are similar to those, but they're not really, because they're kind of like toy hearts, but you just put a sticky thing on them, which they already come with it, and then you peel this off and you put it on the paper. So we'll need these kind of hearts. I'll give you a better look at them. And then we need the glue to glue them on the paper. And we will need black, yellow, and dark yellow. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!